Hey Thrivers! It's your sis Thriving, and today I'm bringing you an early look. I'm here at HOMA Chalong Bay in Phuket, a brand new apartment community designed for the nomad and expat lifestyle. And this is set to open December 15th. So you're getting a behind the scenes look at a property ahead of opening day. And instead of just describing it to you, I'm going to take you inside and walk through the apartments, amenities, and the vision behind the community with the team sharing insights along the way. Let's head into the tour.
Operated by the outsourced
Okay.
restaurant.
So this will be the restaurant. Okay. And this is part of the restaurant as well, like outdoor.
Yeah.
Okay.
They moved the.
And I know it's new, so it's still. This is the gym.
Yeah.
This is very important for me. Can I look at it? Okay, so this will be a proper gym. Good equipment. Very good equipment. You have leg extension is vital for me. Hip thrust machine. Yes.
Out in, I mean, the B2B normal property.
Okay. Yeah. Very good. And she said the biggest gym here. Okay.
And the co-working space.
And there's a co-working space.
We have
Oh,
the
very
public
big.
one. Yeah, we have the public one and we have for the private.
Private rooms. Good. Okay. Very big. I can just look and see how big back here. It is huge. And I'm sure if you needed to rent this space for an office or some type of meeting, you can rent the space or close off, reserve.
Yes, we allow, but yeah, I mean,
Yes, of course. Yes, reserve it before. Okay, nice. Nice. And at least 1, 2, looks like almost 10 or more private spaces.
with the
Okay, perfect. And then the smaller bedroom doesn't have a window. That's the only bathroom. The only bathroom is here. Okay, so the only bathroom is here.
Yeah.
Okay. And the lights, yes, but just to give an idea. Huge bathroom, very big. And how many square meters is that?
Two bedrooms. This one is 58 square meter.
Okay. Okay. 40 square meters, 1 bedroom. And none have balcony or anything?
No balcony.
No balcony. And no laundry.
Have washing machine here.
Okay.
Every room.
Every room has washing machine. Good. Okay. And they're all internal units, so 1 bedroom. You don't have any corner or more of a
We have if for like 1 bedroom, right?
Mhm.
We have 1 bedroom B studio.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, the standard one. And then we have the 2XL is mixed from here.
Okay. Is it okay?
Yeah. is Studio XL 40 square meter.
Okay.
Same as, I think it's the same as the one bedroom, but they don't have like the wall.
It's not separated.
Yeah.
Okay, so
No
this is
balcony.
considered a studio.
Yeah, Studio XL.
XL, extra large studio. And this is 40 square meters as well.
Yeah, same.
Same size, just
Bigger
different
one.
configuration.
Yeah.
Okay.
And the another one, the standard one.
Mm-hmm.
Studio plastic with the balcony.
Mm-hmm.
This one is 30 square meter with
Okay.
the balcony.
30.
And have the laundry machine.
Have the machine.
Balcony outside.
Okay. And they all face this side, right?
Yes.
Okay. Okay.
Also, they have this side, and this side.
Okay.
Yeah.
So there are some that face the front.
Yeah.
Okay. I'll look and see the kind of
But
view.
you don't have the one that show on the.
That's fine.
On
Just to
the-
get an
on the
idea.
one side.
Yeah. And when you rent here, it is come with plates and
Yeah.
everything is
Like
included.
The utensil, everything. You don't get it.
Maybe it's okay. 'Cause
Yeah.
maybe it doesn't have now because it's not ready. I understand.
I'm sorry. No.
Not yet. It's okay. I know it's in the early stages. So, zero threshold. That's very good for the shower. For older people, they like.
I'm saying
Because they don't.
aesthetic.
Yeah. And the bathroom. Okay. And then this is the only closet space. It has. And this building doesn't have the duplex. That's
Okay, you don't.
okay.
We
Okay.
have one bedroom and then next is two bedrooms.
The 2 bedroom.
Yeah,
That's the biggest
small.
size. Okay. Okay. And then there you said the pool is
The pool on the roof.
Okay.
Would you mind to walk?
All right. Quick pause. Now that you've seen the units, tell me in the comments, which one are you choosing? The Studio Classic, Studio XL, or are you going straight for the 1 or 2 bedroom? And real talk for a second. 98% of people watching aren't subscribed yet. If this video is helping you picture life here in Phuket, go ahead and hit the subscribe button. It's free, it doesn't raise rent, and it helps me keep bringing you early looks like this. Tap the like button while you're at it, and then let's head to the pool. And if I choose a room on a higher floor, is that a different rate than a lower floor?
If the higher one, so will be like Studio Bay view,
Mm-hmm.
the same with the Studio Classic that I show you,
Mhm.
but different is the view.
Okay.
Only the view.
But the price will be
The price are up.
the price go up. The higher floors, the prices go up. Okay, so this is where the elevators. Oh, it's so bright. Nice. Oh, you can actually see the
bay.
bay.
Yeah, the bay Chalong Bay.
Beautiful. Mhm. Very nice. What is included? Are utilities included? Water
Okay.
separate?
So for the long-term contract, so we have the 1 time per week for the housekeeping.
Okay.
Yeah, 1 time per week, and the water supply is free.
Okay.
Yeah, and electric we have for 7.49 baht per unit.
Okay.
Yeah,
And then Wi-Fi and
the Wi-Fi is included.
included. So everything is included in that
Yeah,
price.
except the electric.
Electric if you go over 7.9.
No, I mean 1 unit cost 7.49.
Okay, 7.49
Yeah,
per
like 2
kilo.
unit, yeah, 10 unit will be times 10.
Okay.
Yeah. And if you confirm, so we need for 1 month deposit.
Okay.
The room rental. Yeah, 1 month room rental and 1 month for the deposit.
Okay. 1 month room rental and then 1 month deposit. So then all two come with 2 months together.
Yeah, 2 times. But
Okay.
we want for 1 month deposit first.
Right.
After the booking confirmation.
Okay.
And then another one, and then the room rental you can come to pay upon you check in.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, I see what you mean. Just to reserve it. And if I am overseas, How can I make that payment? Can I do a credit card?
Credit card.
Okay.
Yes, we have two options: by bank transfer
Okay.
or the credit card. By
Okay.
the credit card, they will have the 3% charge.
Okay.
Yeah, on the credit card, but not for the bank transfer.
Not for the bank transfer.
Yeah, you should respond. I mean, the sender should be respond for the bank fee.
Right.
Yeah, sometimes in 20, they will come like 20 to 500 baht.
Yeah, sometimes
and then you
depending on
have
your
to
bank.
top up 500 baht upon you come check in.
Okay.
Yeah. We allow as well only dog and cat, but
Okay.
maximum only two pet per room.
Okay.
Yeah. But for the cat we allow, but for the dog.
Okay, so this is the HOMA where I just visited today. I'm gonna walk around in the area and see what's nearby. Looks like a main road down there. A Villa Resort, some type of restaurant. What I did like about the place, which was amazing, of course, everything is new. So it's going to be super clean. HOMA has a great reputation. But what I do like about it is you have beautiful sea views of Chalong Bay. So these would be the things that are accessible to you if you moved in the HOMA property. Very nice facilities. It's going to be the newest thing that kind of carries the swing because it's new. There is parking that I believe was available for 3,000 baht a month additional on top of your rent. So if you have like a scooter, I didn't ask if that applied to cars as well as scooters. But Market Village Phuket, Starbucks for all the coffee drinkers that have to have their Starbucks. This is the grocery store, Villa Market. Some type of pet store. I'm surprised to see that they were going to accommodate people with pets. MK Restaurant. So it's pretty much a regular, like small mall. It's not big like um, Central Florida. I think that is the biggest mall in the area. It's not big like Junction. It's just a like small neighborhood mall. But there are the basics that you need here. You have your grocery store, you have Watson's, you have a few clothing apparel shops. There are loads of restaurants in the area. So pretty much has everything that you need. Okay, and just to give reference, it's right across from a hospital. So if anyone needs medical care on a reoccurring basis, this is one of the hospitals that are here in Chalong. Thanks so much for watching, Thrivers. This channel is all about wellness, thriving at any age, and sharing my personal fitness journey. If that resonates, hit subscribe. It officially means you're someone who chooses growth and energy, and it's all free.